welcome to another video. I'm Chris, and today I'm going to show you how I built this outdoor chair in about an hour. It's an easy build, and it's great for any beginner woodworker who just wants to build some outdoor furniture. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hello there, good morning. We are building an outdoor chair, and it's going to be a pretty easy build, similar to the coffee table build that I did about a week ago. Check that out after this video. And if you like DIY content, home renovation, and how to invest in your home, subscribe to the channel. Alrighty, let's jump into the build. So this is the materials you're going to need: a screwdriver and a tape measure, some outdoor screws, circle saw, a triangle, a drill if you want to pre-drill your holes, I might not, a pen of course, and this nice swagged out cushion. Now I bought this from Amazon, and you can find the link to it in the description, as well as links to the other materials that you'll need for this woodworking project. One last thing that you will need is 2x6 pressure treated wood. Now you can use 2x4 pressure treated wood, but I'm using 2x6s that I bought from Home Depot. That's scrap wood from my deck build, which is also on my channel. So one last thing here. Here are the plans for it. My goal here was to make this chair as simple as possible. So we're going to build two matching sides with basically simple boxes, a board in the middle, and then 4 boards attaching both sides together, 3 on the bottom and 1 up top. Now, the height of this is going to be 24 inches. Well, it's actually technically 27 inches, but 24-inch height legs. And then you're going to have 29-inch depthness, and then 27 inches for the middle braces. So you're going to have 2 27 inches, 4 29 inches, and then 8 24 inches, and these are all 2x6s. Anyways, let's jump over now and start cutting the wood. Before I cut the wood, I wanted to make sure that the height was going to be perfect, and it turns out it was perfect. So then I go and I cut all the pieces that I need to cut before I assemble all of them. And that just makes it easier and less time cutting and assembling, cutting and assembling. Alrighty, we got all the stuff cut. Now let's assemble it. I decided to do a butt joint on this build to make it as easy as possible, and it's always my favorite because it is easy. So I connect the top, I connect the bottom, and then the next step is to connect the middle. I'm marking the spot where the board needs to go, which is right in the middle. And then I'm going to use screws and just angle the screws into the wood and screw it in. Now you can use a pocket jig if you have one, but this method works as well. Now let's assemble. These middle boards are 24 inches, similar to the height of the legs. And so I'm going to put 3 in the middle and then 1 for the backrest. Now the way I found that was easiest to do this was to put it on the ground, take the board and put it vertical, and then screw them in. Now the board that is closest to the front of the chair is at the very end, so that the cushion doesn't fall off. And then I just evenly space out the rest of the boards. They're not exact, but you will never see these, so it doesn't really matter. And the next part is connecting the other leg. This was actually pretty simple. I thought it was going to be a pain, but since the wood is straight and short, it was rather easy.
Wow.
And now for the backrest. This one, it looks like I'm putting it at the very top here because I am, but I ended up scooting it down so that it's on the leg and not on the top rest, as you can probably see here. So do that, but you can actually place it wherever you'd like. Just need a cup holder now.
Looking like a country bumpkin. Thought I could make an appearance in your video looking so great. That's nice.
Pretty chill, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
What do you think of the cushion?
It's good. I mean, being pregnant, it's like a little too far leaned back, but no, I feel like I could chill in this. Feels like my...
Your feet don't touch the floor. Uh-oh.
That's kind of normal for me. No, but I like it. How long did it take you to make?
45 minutes.
That's a deal.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
With my wife's stamp of approval, here is the final product. Alrighty, I hope that you enjoyed that build. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments. And if you want to go check out more builds similar to this, I built an outdoor coffee table. Let me grab it. I built this outdoor coffee table that is very similar to this build, 2x6s, and you can build it in an hour. So go check out that video, or go check out one of my other videos linked in here. And make sure you hit that subscribe. Alrighty. We'll see y'all out there. Toodaloo.